is Mila. And my name is Lida. Today we're making a pineapple spinach smoothie bowl. Like today, we're using a big blender. So first, we're going to be putting in coconut milk into the blender. Liquids first, and it's 1 cup of coconut milk. First we're putting. Next, we are putting shredded coconut into the blender. And this was 1 tablespoon. Now we're putting sunflower seeds into the mixer. And this was 2 tablespoons. And this was 2 tablespoons. Now we're putting 1/2 teaspoon of black seeds. I have 1 cup of frozen spinach to put in the blender. And now I have 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm putting 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And a pinch of salt. Now we're putting 1 teaspoon of honey into the blender.
Is it yummy?
Uh-huh.
You like honey?
I love honey.
Is it healthy for you?
It is healthy for you.
Better than sugar?
Better than sugar. Wait, where's vanilla extract?
The brown one.
This one. Now we're putting 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It looks like gooey. Looks like slime. Looks like we're doing slime right now out of food. Now 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I definitely will eat the peanut butter too. It looks like yucky. Looks like yucky.
No, peanut butter is not yucky.
Yeah, it looks like slime. Peanut butter is healthy for you. No. If you squish it with your hand, it'll look like slime, or it'll look like yucky.
Do you like playing with slime?
Yeah. I like slime. For Christmas, we got slime. Yeah. Galaxy slime. Space slime. And rainbow slime. I got the rainbow slime. And I got the space slime.
Is it yummy?
It's very yummy. I like peanut butter. I always ask my mom for school to give me peanut butter jelly sandwich because I love peanut butter. And I always like chocolate sandwiches, so that's why I always ask my mom to give me a chocolate sandwich for school. We're putting 1 tablespoon of lucuma powder. Now we're putting 1 teaspoon of lucuma powder.
Tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of lucuma powder. Last but not least, we're putting frozen ingredients.
What goes first? A banana.
First goes a banana.
And that's 1/3 of banana.
And that's 1/3 of banana. Ooh, that's coldy. Whoa.
It's frozen.
It's cold and frozen. Then we're putting dragon fruit. Can I pour the dragon fruit? I'll do it. Then why did I give you the banana? Should I? So then I won't give you anything else. And dragon fruit looks like a real dragon. No, of course. No. And dragon fruit. And the outside, not inside. And the dragon fruit looks like funny if you don't cut it in half. Oh yeah, I'm going to bring a piece to show you the outside. Over here. This is the inside, and this is the outside that's red with the green things. Yeah. Look how funny it looks, like a real dragon. It's like it's not a live dragon. Frozen persimmon. It's orange and it's very yummy. A little bit more cup of frozen pineapples.
Ice.
And now the last part is ice.
Yummy.
Good. Yummy. Is that a good flower or not? Hey, what happened there? Bad flower. Uh-oh. Mommy, I got some red. I'll just say it again, even though I just said it. This is slippery, very, very slippery dragon fruit. And we made out of these things, and we made flowers with those dragon fruits. This is an orange winter berry. Yeah, this is an orange winter berry. And I have an orange winter berry too. Wow. Have some chia seeds.
What are you doing?
I'm putting like sweet honey. putting honey in. And I can't wait to taste it.
And what's the best part?
The best part's honey. The best part is putting the pencil with chocolate. Chocolate pencil in. And now I'm putting shaped marshmallows, which are these. Oh, very yummy. They come with chocolate milk and milk. No, they actually come with a cereal. And some chocolate milk with milk. Because marshmallows go with them. Yeah. The honey is too sweet. Oh, wait. Can I get a spoon? Okay, never mind. I have a spoon. Now can I try it? Best part is the pencil. Now I'm going to try it, and I'm going to tell you if it's good or not good. Let's put a thumbs up. If it's good. No, put a like. Put a like.
Eat it on the side. You don't have any honey in it.
I'm going to put a thumbs up.
The honey needs to mix in into your stomach.
You guys put a like if it's tasty for you. It's actually pretty good. I need to taste it too.
Yummy?
Whoa, the honey is dripping. Yummy. They actually mixed it up. It's actually yummy. I'm drinking fruit. Wow. Look at this pencil. Well, it's covered with the smoothie. So I'm gonna need to wipe that off. Well, see, look at the pencil. It's yummy.
Mila, did you eat your pretzel yet?
I did eat the pretzel.
Did you like it?
Pretzel's very good.
What about the smoothie?
The smoothie is amazing.
Good job.
Can I eat your smoothie?
Yes.
Sure to make it. It's very healthy. Put a thumbs up in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel. Everybody, bye-bye. And remember, you can't drink Dr. Pepper.